afternoon, guys. Yes, it is after 12 and it's the wedding day. Anyways, guys, so I will be getting ready starting now. So I have some food that I'm going to heat up. I want to eat before I actually start getting ready because don't want no grease, nothing drop on the dress. I'm going to install my lovely wig right here. Yes, got my Chinita unit, guys. If you know, if you don't know, I am a wig maker. You can check out my page at the Wig Factor to get more wigs like this beauty. You guys are gonna see it throughout the day and more on my page. So here is the ad. You can go follow it. Anyways, guys, so it's just time for me to get ready. I am going to eat, install the wig, and I'm going to attempt to do makeup. I really and truly just wanted to go barefaced, but I was like, no, you gotta do some makeup first. I did my lashes. Like, I mean, yeah, they're like, do the makeup to kind of just bring it off. So I'm gonna attempt. Let's see how today goes, guys. I'm excited. Let's see. Yeah, so I am warming up some food that I had from last night. Perfection. I like the fried chicken the best. I never tried the stew, so I'm gonna try the stew. Yeah, I kind of wanted to break this up a bit more, but it was kind of really cold for me to do that. Still cold, so as it gets warmer, I'll do just so. I'm gonna kind of just lay out my things then to install my wig and like the makeups I'm gonna need in the meanwhile. So as I finish it, I'd do that because we have to get ourselves together by I think it's 2:30 and it's probably 12:30 now, 12:25, which is when I wanted to start installing the wig because give myself about half an hour. It should take me a little bit less than that, but I'm not working in my usual environment, so a half an hour to install my wig. Then my next probably hour because I really don't know what I'm doing with makeup. Hour and a half to do just a regular face. That's crazy, but yeah, guys. So the time cut and I don't really want to take an hour to get ready. So I don't know if I don't. Should I eat or should I just try to install this wig now, then eat and do the makeup, or just I still have to eat. So alright, I'll probably scarf that down quickly, then quickly install this wig. I'm going to take like 15 minutes to install the wigs and half an hour for this quickly put a bead on my face. Let's see, guys. Yeah, so time most definitely catch up on me. It took a while to figure out how to use a hot stove. It's 12:55. I wanted to start from 12:30, so I'm kind of just jumping into it. I don't really have anywhere to angle the phone, so you know, you guys may or may not see what I am doing. I'm just gonna quickly catch in my edges and then go for the wig. Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As they said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart. Crap, I'm just realizing I did not wash my face. That's what I usually do first. If not, I use baby wipes. I don't got anything with me. But I'm gonna try Skillaci wash. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to put on makeup. I'm gonna try wash my face. Alright, so I'm gonna just blow back these edges in place. Truly had to hurry up and get ready, so I didn't get to film me trying to do this makeup. It's not the best, but it's a good attempt. Anyways, my phone is on like 17%. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show everything. I brought my charger, so if I can find somewhere, I'll be able to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you what I can until the phone dies. Anyways, guys, I'm on my way now to the venue. Bye. Okay, so we made it to, I guess we're taking pictures first. So we made it back to the house that we had like the dinner at. Okay, good. We're finding a charging port, so I'll be able to give you some footage, I guess. Alright, so this is the view from at least where I'm sitting, where I can get the phone to be charged. If I get to go closer or when, I'll give an up close view. But this is it now. I can't believe this is New York. Is this still New York? Yeah, this is New York. But New York, all I've been since I've known New York, all I see is building, bus, train. This is a difference. Wow. He said she'd never turn on me. Slow. Damn, that's not slow at all. Yeah.
So I will take the cue from you. Perfect. Okay, great.
Guys, so we're at the venue. This piece up here just won't cooperate, but it is what it is. Alright, so the wedding is going to start probably in the next 10-15 minutes. Just waiting for more persons to reach. And I'm going to show off the location. Okay, this is the venue. I'm gonna go in there first because I know people who start heading in there. So I'm gonna come back and do like a balcony view afterwards. Ooh, damn. Yo, should I even be going up here? I have no idea, but my black ass is gonna do it. Unless I got turned back. But if I got turned back, that's just that. I think that over there is the venue. Mountainside view is rotted. Can't manage. Hi, Jesus. Guys, the e-life is not for me. Thank God they put this. Because I would be sinking every minute. I probably didn't run me. But no, Jesus. I could just look. Oh. Oh, there's tables. See if I can find my name. If my name is there. Okay, so I'm at table 12. Okay. Let's see these tables. Oh, they have like the names, I guess, in front of each seat as well. Okay, cool. This is a whole damn production. Damn. Must be somewhere hiding. Oh, these are pictures. Let's see. Okay, so these are benches. Damn, what the hell's going on? I wish I had my glasses. Today, before our family and friends, Andreas, do you take Shanique to be your wife? Do you promise to love, to honor, and cherish and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only onto her forevermore?
I truly do. This is cute. Yeah, this is so cute. I left all the business up.
Yeah, okay guys, so the ceremony is finished. I think they're gonna have a cocktail hour, like literally an hour, and then the reception afterwards. So I guess I'm gonna be here for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna take off these heels now and try to put on my flats. Serve their purpose. I'm getting rid of you now. Onto these. Now it's your time. Okay guys, so the cocktail hour is over. I don't know if you can hear me. Cocktail is always over. Now it's time for the reception. I'm feeling definitely tipsy. I'm feeling a drunk. But this is our seat for the reception, and I think it's time to wrap up after we have dinner. Probably they're gonna have like a dance floor section. It's been going well. Alright, so I think this is like an appetizer. It's like cranberry, kale, and some nuts. Where's my name? Can I carry this home with me? My name? Yeah. I'm taking it, yeah.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight.
Hey girl, hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back.
The night is so cold. I had to make a call and I had to come by here because no, outside just naturally freezer type. Anyways guys, it's like after 8, 7 J8 time for my Jamaicans, and I mean it doesn't look like the festivities coming on at all, so I don't know what's going to go on. After this I probably be going straight to my auntie's, so like the festivities won't stop for me after this either, so I'm going back to back to back, and after here I'm going right back to Atlanta, so it continues. So that means the vlog will continue as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying the travel vlogs. By the time you see this video, this should be like probably number 3 or 4 of these travel videos, because I've been pushing out videos back to back. Every day I've been taking up the camera. So let me know in the comments if you've been enjoying it. Like give me some things that you would love to see, possibly while I'm in the States till I get back. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah.
I want you to take some cake, Andreas, and I want you to feed your wife with it. But I don't want you to feed her with a fork. I want you to feed her with your German tongue.
PG-13.
Andres, you better